The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Iphumile iqale Orlando Pirates kwi-semi-final ye-CAF Champions League. Idlala ngabafana abasaze ngobuso elizweni yazama. Bengakhange bethu ke-Orlando Pirates ukuzokuthi gangoku kwi-CAF Champions League izobethwa kumdlalo obalulekileyo lo wandulela owamagqibela kankqoyi semi-final. So baqhubela izandla ke ne-Pyramids nabo khange sibona negative football namhlanje. It was progressive football from icala le-Orlando Pirates na from icala le-Pyramids. Well done to both teams for giving your best shot. It will be a very tough night for Orlando Pirates fans. You have to take it just like any other team takes it. Chiefs loses in the final in 2021, they have to take it. Sundowns always lose in the semi-final in different years. In the last 10 years, they have to take it. It is now your medicine. You take it. You pray that next year you do better. Eventually, if you are consistent all the time, quarterfinal, semi-final in this competition, and you take it seriously like you did this year, eventually the football gods will reward you, and maybe it will be your year in the next few years. But this was a brilliant season for Orlando Pirates. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, I'm faith, Esan. I think Jose Ribeiro lost with pride.
Yeah.
He lost with pride. It was experience versus talent. Today, experience versus talent. Pirates did very well. Yabona, Mabolina became many favor games. In fact, Pirates, they deserve everything. Everybody came to the party. They did the back three, which is the coach Jose Ribeiro. Nyaz, which meaning if any attacking football. But when you score a goal, just read the game, or you need an analysis work, an assistant to tell you that can you play with a 4 at the back, straightly 4. I mean, what you're supposed to sit. Tell what to sit because today, I think space in Yanis says are meta mostly. Into Yanis a small space. In the winning game today, Axi Kepenku, which was just a small gap. I understand because lapse of concentration on the Pirates. Scott Fest. I think this team Scott Fest. I mean, to say.
I think I can't remember, but it must be Pirates. It was Pirates won.
Yeah.
Balinganisa 1-1, and then even
Fouquet,
they took the lead again 2-1, and then Elinganisa 2-2 as well. So there were moments where Pirates could have controlled the game when they were leading.
Pirates got first. Fouquet, I remember. Pirates got first, and I think if Pirates first half, well done to them. How they attack as a team, numbers on the box, numbers up front, eliminating players, but they put them wing over, they take people inside and out. Pirates 1v1, take somebody to the cleaners. And well done. The battle according to his strengths, a coach attacking players, a position out today. You never allow Mfuking Batrope too much to your fina. We ended into second half. First half, Pirates, brilliant. I mean, brilliant to watch. I think Benga Guzushkuti Pirates are paying away. And then Donna Jobush first season.
Yeah.
Quarter first season. The boy, Melengi, a boy, very sorry, with him, Fana Samus Uguti, Ngambo Natrop. Mele Magans Umfana welling him compliment. He redeemed himself. One is a comment among Kulmangiti is more direct, but the boy, I think, was something special to him. He must some compare, I think, but he's got something.
Yeah.
It's technically good. He's improved his game. Each and every game is playing, especially after coaching bigger pension. Him bigger pension. Magabuya now consistent. He give players. He coach headache. You understand? And really, that's true. Patient. When you compare him with Munapule Saling, me, I think the boy is a good productive development. For me, the boy is better. I know with Munapule Saling is a better player in terms of experience and in terms of career has done well. But this boy, a bright future ahead of him. So, it Pirates. Well done to Mfuking and this boy. I think first half, well done to Tito Masongai, also Makehleni. And Klalemba question in terms
Talent Mbata.
I mean, sorry. Talent Mbata and Makehleni, well done. Because this front three, it's only one guy, not front three. It's only this Tinkocha and Mfuking. I think the coach got it wrong there.
Mahopa.
Evident Mahopa. I understand him about is defending as a central forward. Umahopa, he goes there and defend. Abantu abalisusa ibhola simple. You cannot kube ne build up easily. They put him to score. Today, I think they saw. He did nothing. I think it was the weakest link in Orlando Pirates, mina for me. Ukuthi runs around, it doesn't matter. Sikfuna central. Ubonile Mayela didn't run around his scores. Mayela, striker, he stays central. Bheka le bhola lele goal number 2 reaction yakhe. Defense slipile, goalkeeper savile, ngisho winning goal I mean to say.
Yeah.
Bheka reaction yakhe. Look at the reaction, my brother. So I think it's different between him and Mayela and Abu Evident. They score these guys. That's why senyabona na mabalibele kuba ne hype ukuthi maguna ama news ukuthi uyafuneka. I can see na bengifuna ukubona first game not much. But team yakhe idlale better than they play today. This team today, it's only 3 players that they show. On number 11, good player with the left footed. He can kick with the right foot. Abo left footed aba coming on right. Very skillful player on number 11. Odlalaga right coming on inside. Cutting in. And also Mayela, I'll compliment him. Number 7. I've already
Lati
yeah,
Toure.
yalazi yake le idlala ngathi idlala emabuya or Soweto Discovery Paul yalazi. I think we have game management. In terms of game management, he managed the game very well. Well done the guy. I think these 3 players, but none of them pick for you guy credit ke. Nobody considered, but I think they were solid for me. They were solid because mama check how they not good Pirates they had to work. Mama check goal against taxi goal good but defend but PT defend. Beautiful goal, spectacular. Actually good but PT defense. So many pick for you kaya. This point got did very well. I think the man of the match for me. It came mangi peg overall. Second half I think the mistake they did Orlando Pirates. Ukungabi ne depth on the bench. Ilento engihlaling equation among the first 11. These boys they've run hearts out. Ngikhuluma ngoNkocha Mfokeng. Evident I won't say uranile ngoba if you go and defend you did nothing. Nababo talent they did give everything. Naye uMakhehleni just put fresh players, members. But I'm
How important was the injury to Van Rooyen?
very balimeza kakhulu because recovery yakhe. Now you start these guys ubabona ngale left. But Trick Orlando Pirates because every time ngwenya le wing back now bebaphera manje bejoina and then izile ngwenya emfishane bayifakile le u37 nale wing back now uyajoina so bamlanda boyi2 so and uShandu match fitness ukungadlali problem and I think it counted so Pirates dlalile but this team njengoba ngisho experience against talent intwana somehow the lacks of concentration abombokazi good player but the experience bengikhuluma lana too nabo abachitala in studio ngithi you hardly see players intwana ezincane win cup it's noma ungayaphi into encane iyenza different just 2 step badlala ipass one is done so umbokazi did very well lentwana uNkocha did very well ngisingila uthazona because first season for them these are but
Especially in this Champions League.
deserve awards ku PSL man bo young player ngikhuluma ngaba boNkocha nabo lisemele baba nominate bombokazi defender of the season the boy ukuba I think a contender be there the boy did very well lentwana le mfana udlale kamagaga he did very well I think one of the best talent especially center defense.
How do you think Orlando
Left.
Pirates should look at this? Bashai was semi-final. How do you think Pirates defends in the team as well? How should they look at this? Is this a failure? Is it something positive?
It's just that mina kwamanye ama game no positive obviously the bright future ahead of these kids. Look at the age of the team there. Umakhehleni mhlawumbe uChina uyazi yashaya uHuto yabo now Huto I think there are things that I know is an experienced player man he let the team down last minute abo Huto development mina ngihlale ngibaleke kakhulu nje timing just hit the ball first time so mokukuphendula bright future ahead of Orlando Pirates. It's a pity the coach is leaving phela kubalekile ukuthi mawu coach you understand nama player to take out the best out of players so mina for me Pirates the best team lost today.
Yeah. I don't think Pyramids deserve a win.
Yeah.
But Pirates applied themselves.
Yeah. Pyramids in South Africa.
Yeah, well, of course.
Sure.
I think even tonight, because you remember the second half, defense against attack. Pirates were just defending. The last 40 minutes, Pirates
second half, it's a game of 2 halves.
Yeah, in the second half, the last 40 minutes, Pirates were just defending. So I wouldn't say Pyramids has
No. Pyramids, we need to be any into. There's no quality. Not to say that this is a very good team.
Yeah.
That's why it mean among mobile Pirates. I thought very they're not gonna come back. Because of ngibonile ukuthi ba capable ukora. They've got a player, Maela, they understand his position. And they've got players surrounding him who are so talented, also experienced. La kunayintwana uyabona kule team fethu abantu abangcondo ngcondo. They run ngepurpose. You understand? And minimize ama-runs wabo. Well done, njengoba ngisho, for them to coming back. Akusizi consider to come back, believe. The way by reacting and come and win the game as well. Pelipari, their better side, their good side, not just better, good side. So it was experience against Sintoana, and Jobang experience against talented players, not just talented players. So unfortunately, Jose Rivero, no matter season uzohamba, he must be proud of himself, especially ukali into any chance. Akusuwa unku coaches aku semi-final ngintwana mfethu. I know previous in a year in a history, it's never happened. Coaches, especially continental football, yawuphethe where you can risk. Uthi mina ngiyangale intwana, especially ama player decide the game. And they did because the tournament, I think this tournament they scored 4 goals. So I think they won. The tournament is okay. Checking the leagues, as it is delay, but they must lift up their head. I think they did very well. And also, many compliment to Smith. As a leader, and whenever 30 pound Tsogi is suspect, man. 2 goals as a lead without pretty much. I've got nothing against Umchita. I know with Umchita unama games that are but today must go and look at himself in the mirror. Number 2, just attack the ball tall with defender. You can't mark zonal there. These guys, they are tall. So now I think number 9 Fagile, he made it different in this team. I think he's the impact player. Also masap which was Rivera Mshahidi, melenga sab gusho. Kabelo Dlamini, you know, if he start the game ukabela na problem. And also Lomfanu Tito Masonga. They are both slow. Those are players that can maintain. I think game management, they can manage the game in terms of passing, but hold the position. But in this game, intensity high gangaga. And ufuna uthi uthatha game uyise kuma opponent is going to be difficult because he can make a pace. So I think somehow I loved it. One of the best talent to Kabelo Dlamini Polelas as well. Don't believe it to Kabela Gadlali his best football. Lengi bone Stars of Africa ngambonile phela. He was a star player. So today I think Mshayeli coach amasapo akhe, but also a coach compliment the pyramids. Bringing this number 9 guy. Also, Nale Court Bengiti Abaceta. Somewhere towards the game, they left to 37. So, well done to them, and they deserve to win.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. We did 2 matches tonight. One South African team is out, and one South African team is in the final. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Commiserations to Orlando Pirates. Yeah. That's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. Orlando Pirates deserve something. Pyramids also deserve something. So it was a game. It was a much better game than the Al Ahly game where people are filling each other out. I score, I defend, see if you score. And if you score, I'm going to pretend that I wanted to score all along, all of that nonsense. So this was a much better game. Very enjoyable. Tough that Orlando Pirates fans are not going to the final, but it's a very positive step. It is good times was betting.